obi aso mfa ne pabo anguo ye ka tra safo we Nyankopon say ye nye ni tumi ni e ho ye nipa ye na tia na efo on the boy yes ye dire ira ha tra no ye na fodo so na so ye ye tu ye say ye mbra ni me gira ga na man nyira ndem ye send Nyankopon say na kudumi obotre no fa boy yes let you be Nyankopon say ekudumi obotre no fa boy Uncle Caprias, no, Nanya, the year to go. I'm not going to follow your papaya is in the
Anthony Buffo and no what I say we do Black Stars camp Cameroon and on the boys vibe and I watch the boys in Ukraine say AFCON dey ba ye be trendy na ya GD na wi ase nyina hu say yen so ye nimbo what I say and I watch the boys in Ukraine some untie dey na nam social media wo mo e kasa Ghana fo mo nim dedada nyane asamoja mo tam so makasa sa nti no mo forget wo mo na mo di game no maybe be anya kama because now no Monday no ye ni Morocco ankoye Thomas Tepate midfielder pia ball ko na chisa ne ko share the DIU ene ni Jordan almost petre sa na entimi amfa ma Ghana enti ena de Ghana for club bebre abemabu omunim se odi aye de anya e beans sika na hye but still now on say flag ni da mi kom no vim day ye tawo maji den eti ye besere wo mo na wo mo bom ho modern na nkurumde na timi aye Ghana dia but DKB so dia ba so wa choki kute odi bibi aka cause Monday no mamwa no
I folded myself in bed thinking about myself. We've been scored. We've lost opening match against Morocco, a clear match that we had the chance to win. We didn't win. Coach Milovan Rajvac. This one like I prefer Kusiapia. Because Kusiapia will stand on the touchline, whole face clueless, so you know we are about to lose. Rajvac will just be behaving like he has some ideas and some calculus. That is, with his shoulders like, Ingbe Kudus yo, Ingbe Mohamed yo, Ingbe Panla coach, Panla. You play Jordan up front, almost 85th minute, no area balls going to him. All were intercepted. That should tell you that he must bring somebody taller, like Tete. No, keep them like that till they score. Now they scored. You are doing 3 substitutions for 5 minutes to go. How? Milo, how? Milo, how? Which Milo are you? This Milo is tasteless. This Milo is dry. It's like kako. This one I prefer Kusiapia. At least you stand by the touchline. And then I just die, no. Mewo. So you know you are losing. You work there. And this goes to the Ghanaian politicians and our leaders. None of you should open your mouth to talk. Because Milovan is learning from you people. Always last minute. Milovan had 90 minutes. It's 85th minute that he did changes. Same with you politician, Ghanaian leader. You've been given power 4 years. 3 years, 11 months, you don't do anything. 1 month to election, you start doing road, putting makeup on the road. So none of you should talk. And even the citizens, the whole semester, you will learn. 3 hours to exam. It's not that you have pamphlet, like daily graphic back 14, you're about to learn. None of us should complain. He's falling in line like a Ghanaian. Rather, you don't need Pythagoras. You don't need any calculation. We need the formula for kinetic energy. K equals half mv squared. And the K is Kusiapia. The mv is Milovan. Half Milovan squared. Pala. Everything is pala.
And Mguasiaba. But Omblemo Bia Coach Milo start. Coach 85th minute and we changes. And now DKB so at the atono 85th minute and we changes and you're fine. And as Jordan brothers no Ghana for to Coach Milo for papa say and the game no almost renara on bench back. And yes apa dia send Jordan okopu ne to na de dia yu so kobo ne hwa na pate so kobo mframa no saa na wanhwa ne na Gabon ache ya hye enti ena de enso anto ade besa oman Ghana ye gina kona no obi anfa pa bonta ya chi na bibi anya fine eva maye na afko no yenso ye gi bi ye asamo gyan ye bi John Peter mo Bresto Tvgh Pia omo nyina omo try best finance na ya na eta kodu afi we say no ese yenso yetimi ekukurukro na edebra kromba oni say next year all African Games Ghana na ye hosti enti no ye de cup no be ka ho kra de na ne na aye she enti wo man Ghana ene de dia yu ni Jordan ba ko tenase enye opompo na boys no abobo no kama attention sports ni ye go so a ye di echi na vibe no ne ye ko na on update from Black Stars camp ye nya na fast ya to social media so na so on sa ka de ene de Ghana baby no ye da Ghana 2-1 ene de life ana ye nya 2 no mo because Gabon omunhye eti ene na 2-0 sure na bibia aye fine e de amaye e subscribe na share what I say no bi ehun de ekoso e wo Black Stars camp medin e de na AJC Kappa attention sports.